is wearing his pink barong. The beautiful lady is Geraldine Josefina T. Cuarto. She was born on June 19, 2003 at Taal Polyclinic Hospital and Medical Center in Taal, Batangas. Her parents are Mr. Darwin Cuarto and Mrs. Jennifer T. Cuarto. Watching television, playing games are her hobbies. JJ believes that beauty is not found in me, but my personality will bring you to remember me. She wants to be a nurse someday. She's wearing a pomelo pink gown with galaxy design and its lining is made from Gina and Tulle. Once